What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I thought it'd be fun to do a bit of a quick transformation or like get ready with me while I get ready for a night out with my husband. We are on vacation and we are actually going out to, it's kind of like a theme park or what they call a theme park, but we're going to see a show, go get some food, maybe do a little bit of shopping. It's like a really big cultural event here in Thailand, and we are getting ready for the night. I have about 15 minutes to get ready, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do from beginning all the way to the end. All right, guys, so I want to go ahead and show off my outfit of the night. I got this two-piece from Boohoo. I actually did show it in my Pack With Me clothing haul for vacation. So just put my hair back in, like a half up, half down do. For earrings, I just popped on some of my favorite earrings from Shop Valeri. Of course, you guys already know that. They're gold at the top, and then they're like kind of like a tortoise print at the bottom. They're like yellow, orange, and brown. Super cute. I will leave the link down below, but I love these. But I love these. Here is the makeup look. Again, really simple and quick. I have like 10 minutes, so just if it looks a mess, it just looks a mess. But no, I did this really quickly, and here is the outfit. And I love this outfit because it's very fun and funky, perfect for vacation, and it's also super affordable as well. So if they still have it, I'll leave a link down below to this two-piece. But it's super fun and I love it. And then for shoes, I just popped on some slides. We'll be walking a lot tonight, so I went ahead and just popped on some slides to be super comfortable for the night. And here is the final look.